Chart. What do you mean by chart? What is the use of chart? A chart is a graphical representation of data visualization. In day-to-day life, each and every person can use a chart for comparison and analysis of data. In share markets, people can understand the performance of company with the help of chart. In hospitals, doctors use a chart or a graph to understand their patient's health. Cricket board also compare performance of both the teams with the help of chart. With the help of chart, we can understand the different political parties' position during the Lok Sabha elections. So let's understand how to create a chart. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज शाह चैनल को और बेल आइकॉन में ऑल ऑप्शन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी एंड एजुकेशनल वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए. Guys, now you know chart is useful for analyze and better understand of our data. So for creating a chart, we required data. I made one table here on yearly household expenses. Now there are two different ways to create a chart. Select your table and select Insert tab. Here you can see there are so many different types of charts are available. As per your requirement, you can select your chart. I want to create column chart, so click on column button and select chart, and you can see our chart is ready. Now another method. Set your mouse pointer inside this table, then press Alt F1 key on the keyboard, and you can see our chart is ready. Now this chart area is very small, so how can we enlarge the chart area so we can able to understand this chart properly? So set your mouse pointer on the edges of this chart area, and your mouse pointer converted on double headed arrow like this. Now hold your mouse button and enlarge like this and drag the chart area and release your mouse pointer like this. In this way you can enlarge your chart area. Now let's understand components of a chart. You just set the mouse pointer inside the chart and you can see the tip area, tips is available here. This is called a plot area. This is called a chart area. They all are called legend. Legend is useful to identify the data series. Now this axis is also called x-axis or a category axis, and this vertical axis is also called vertical axis, value axis or a y-axis. This different types of cylinders you can see inside this chart is called a data series. It's display different types of data. Now let's understand how can we change a chart type. For changing a chart type, you just select a chart with the mouse pointer and then press right mouse button. You can see here change chart type option is available. Click and select this option. Now you can see change chart type dialog box is open. There are so many different types of charts are available. Here you can select your chart as per your requirement and then click OK button. But here I required only column chart, so I just select a cancel option right now. Now let's understand how to format a different chart areas. I want to format and give a different color of this plot area. Just select the plot area and right mouse button, use right click and then select format plot area option. You can see one dialog box is available here. Select solid infill color. Color option is also available here. You can select different color as per your choice, which color you required and then click close button. Now how can we change a chart area option, how can we decorate a chart area? Just right click here, same step, format chart area option. Same dialog box open once again. Here I want to select a texture. There are different types of textures also available here. Select your desired texture and click close button, and you can see our charts looks like very attractive. We can change this cylinder or a data series color also. Just click on this data series, right click here and format data series option. In format data series option, select a fill and solid. Now which color you want? I required yellow color, so I just press and close. So I hope you can understand how to give a different chart colors, or how can we format our chart. Now there is one option or a tab is available, is called a layout tab. In layout tab we can see legend. What is a legend? Where is a legend? This area is called a legend, who represent different data series. So we can set legend on different areas. For example, just click here and see there are so many different options are available. I want to set legend top of the chart area. You can see here like this. If I want to set a legend bottom of the chart area, you can look like this. So in this way we can set a different legend also. Now another option is available here, is called a data label. Data label. Inside you want to display data label, so your all the data series or a cylinder values will be displayed look like this. If you want to grid, then you can select a grid, and major and minor grid option you can select look like this also. So this is called a different layout options is available. You can set your chart title option also like this, chart title, and you can see here our chart title is available. Just select and write down household expenses. Now we should set a color also. Just select a tab, home tab, and set a color. So in this way we can change our different charts. Now next option is how can we change the scale. So just set your mouse pointer on the vertical or a y-axis properly, then right click here. If you set your mouse pointer properly, then only you can see here scale. So format axis, and here you can see axis option is available. In axis option, auto option already activated. As per your choice you can select a fix and then change the scale as per your requirement. For example, I just change like 50, and you can see the effect on this scale. So in this way you can change the scale value of different axes. Now let's see how can we create a pie chart. If we have a only single column with us, then how can we analyze this data? I made here monthly household expense data, and once again we should follow same step, insert, then here I want to create a pie chart and 3D pie chart. So in this way we can create a 3D pie chart. Just enlarge this area, double headed arrow, and enlarge area. Now right click here and select format chart area, and you can see one dialog box display here. Now click on this chart, inside the chart, and you can see angle of first slice. You can rotate your chart like this. You can see, please observe on the chart properly, and in this way you can rotate your chart. If you want to divide your chart slice like this, then you can also use this option, is called a pix exploration, and in this way you can set your chart slices also. You can change the different colors also. Click on format data point and you can select a fill color, solid and yellow color and click OK. In this way you can set your different charts also. If you want to activate your data series inside a chart, then click on the data layout tab, and inside the layout tab there are data labels are also available. Inside and select inside and you can see at the end of the area its value will be displayed. So I hope you can understand how to create a chart, how to format a chart, what is the different components of a chart, how can you change the chart axis scale and what is a data series.
आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा? अगर आपको ये पसंद आया हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करें और शेयर करें, और अगर कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं तो कमेंट करें। अगर आपने अभी तक मेरा ये YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो इस वीडियो के नीचे रेड कलर का सब्सक्राइब बटन दिया होगा, उस पर क्लिक करिए और पास वाले बेल आइकॉन में ऑल ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करना मत भूलिएगा, ताकि आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो के नोटिफिकेशन तुरंत ही मिल जाए। तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर मुलाकात होगी, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय एंड हैव अ नाइस डे।